Welcome to this video in which I'll demonstrate how to use Service Request Field Schemas. This will allow you to use different fields for different customers. When would you use this? When you run an outsourced service desk for different customers, when your customers have different business requirements, or when you have different business divisions using the same pulse system. Note: in this video, jobs, service request, and incidents are used interchangeably. If you have different customers, they may require different variations of their service request pages. Here I have the normal service request page. It shows the standard fields that service requests have, namely category, type, service type, severity, failure reason, and customer reference, network speed, and notes. However, some or all of these may not be relevant and thus not suitable for the customer. For example, if their business dictates that they do not need network speed, instead needing a different field altogether. Or they may simply want the fields in a different order. You do not need a separate installation of Pulse. Instead, it is best to make use of the Service Request Schemas. So, to begin, let me show you what it looks like. Under the Setup menu, you create a new incident schema. Let's say that is specifically for company Ace Motors. In the incident field order, the default looks like this. I can then go to Ace Motors schema and say that for their purposes they do not need network speed and that they want the notes above the category. They may also not want failure reason, making it increasingly different from the standard schema. I finish by clicking Save. By using the drop-down menu, I can see what the default schema looks like compared to the Ace Motors schema. If I show only the non-hidden ones, you can see description, notes, category, severity, service type, and so on. The final step is to associate the schema with the client. From the Home menu, I search for Ace Motors HQ in the search bar. Under Client Details, I click Update. Here, I scroll down and click on Service. I then change the job schema from default to Ace Motors, clicking Save to finish. It should be noted that Ace Motors has various child sites, the branches of the company. These include Ace Motors Brighton, Johannesburg, Airport, Birmingham, and so forth. To open a new job, I'm going to click on Ace Motors Brighton. This is done by clicking Service, then Job through the drop-down menu. Finally, clicking Add New on the right. Here you can see the new, non-standard schema being used, with category, severity, service type, and customer reference being shown, instead of the longer, and in this case less suitable, standard schema. Thank you for watching.